Good morning, my dear children. I'm here again to teach you the subject computer. So open your computer book, page number 32. In the last video, we started a new chapter, chapter 4, keyboard and its features. And we completed till page number 31. Enter keys in keyboard. We completed till here. So today we'll continue from the page 32. Okay. Space bar key. Space bar key. A keyboard has a space bar key. This key is used to give space between two words. The space bar key is marked with a red boundary. So space bar key, it is here. This is space bar key. In a keyboard we see such type of key. This is called space bar key. Why do we use this space bar key? We use this space bar key to give space between two words. To give space, okay, between two words. Let's see how to use the space bar key. If we press the space bar key, see such type of gap will come here, space. Okay. So when we press the space bar key, this key gives space. Now come to page number 33. Backspace key. Backspace key. A keyboard has a backspace key. This key is used to delete the letter from the left side of the cursor. Let's see how. See, backspace key. Suppose while typing a letter, such type of mistake can happen. As you can see here, see, COMMPUTR. It is not the correct word. So, in case of this, we'll press this backspace key. If we press this backspace key, this M will be deleted. Okay? This M will be deleted. Then we'll get a correct word. See? Now when we press the backspace key, then the letter M will be deleted and the corrected word will appear. Okay? M will get deleted and a correct word will appear. Now next we have delete key. A keyboard has a delete key. This key is used to delete the letter from the right side of the cursor. Let's see how. It is same, but here we delete from the left side of the cursor and here we delete it from the right side of the cursor. Right side, here left side. Okay. So same it is while typing. When there will be any mistake in a spelling, we'll do correction with the help of this delete key. And when we press the delete key, then the letter M will be deleted and the corrected word will appear. Okay? It will get deleted and the corrected word COMPUTER, computer, correct word will appear on the screen. So this chapter is completed. Let's see your pop quiz. Let's read this. A keyboard has 26 alphabet keys. A keyboard has 26 alphabet keys. A keyboard has numbers keys from 0 to 9. A keyboard has numbers keys from 0 to 9. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. The space bar key is used to give space between two words. Okay. The space bar key is used to give space between two words. Backspace key is used to delete the letter from the left of the cursor. Backspace key is used to delete the letter from the left of the cursor. Delete key is used to delete the letter from the right of the cursor. Delete key is used to delete the letter from the right of the cursor. Okay? So the chapter is completed. Tomorrow I'll give you the notes of this work. Okay? So for today, only this much. Thank you.